Gant here with True Technologies Radon Measurement and Mitigation Specialist. So today what we're doing is we are caulking a floor crack. So this is a floor crack in a garage. Floor cracks are important, one, because they are a radon pathway. So radon's underneath this slab. It's utilizing this pathway to gain access into the home. But the other reason is caulking cracks helps improve the efficiency of a radon mitigation system. So a radon mitigation system is all based on airflow and pressure. So the more sealed we can make the floor, the smaller the fan we can use, the lower amount of CFM we can use, which overall is going to increase the performance of the radon system and its efficiency. So today for this project, what you're going to need is a caulk gun. So I've got a caulk gun here. I'm using slab caulk. It's cementitious type caulk. It stretches and expands. You're also going to need a putty knife. So we're going to squirt some caulk into this crack here. We're going to tool it in with a putty knife, wipe it off with a paper towel, and that should help improve the performance of this system in place.